Convener in charge of COCOMI, W. Second, has claimed that the governor's decision to fly from Imphal Airport to Raj Bhavan to escape from protesters is indication of his admission to guilt. The statement was made during an emergency press briefing held by COCOMI at Kuala till today. Speaking further, W. Second asserted that the governor taking the helicopter after returning from Delhi instead of addressing the people who are protesting along roadsides is an act of instigating the infuriated crowd. He also highlighted the recent 48-hour general strike imposed by COCOMI and people's continued protest in demand of an apology from governor and resignation of Chief Secretary, Security Advisor and DGP over the controversial incident of Gualtabi. W. Second further warned that COCOMI along with people will stage various protests against the governor's action. COCOMI also burned an effigy of the governor today.
Maki masuk ke Joko na mana pahen dari sekai raka.
Governor na hilu budak bunga kanda Manipur ki bagi praja singa sibo mahang na hemagi mauta koi bu karem na ba usit hoi de bagi mong am khawa na chatta bai sa COCOMI na yam na koi condemn tawi amadi adum laba ma ki cheli ba adum laba misel sa ma se koi pang da bagi adum laba governor amani haina koi lokje bagal loina na ma Manipur ki governor sa ma soina pham thado kada bani natragadi Manipur ki praja miyam na horuk pa ihoda ma ngasan thengaj lagada bani haiba sa COCOMI na ngasi ki chum laba press ki senior officer ki tang da lathok sari aduga loina na ai koi ngasi sangsal liba function china aroi ba nate ai koi hayen so makata na Manipur ki governor na apology to ki phawada laiba Manipur da laiba central ki institute sing ai koi thingsan ba ki function sanction jagani amadi district ki tongan ba DC sing ki putang da ima singna adom laba memorandum pi ba ki function sing asi Manipur ki tongan ba district sing asi da koi soina sanction jagani